This is the HomePod, Apple's jump into the smart speaker market. I'm going to start by saying I really like the HomePod. It looks great, it sounds amazing, and works extremely well. I've been using the HomePod for about a week now, and here's my review. First and foremost, this thing sounds incredible. From first hearing it in the Apple Store, I was blown away, especially considering its size. And I even expected it to be larger from the photos online. At full volume, you won't damage your ears, but you'll hear it throughout the house. Even at that full volume, the 6-mic array can hear your call for Siri even under your breath. Hey Siri. Isn't that awesome? Fast. It can decide what you want to do and executes it immediately, especially with smart home actions like changing light scenes and getting home information. Even with answers from the internet, the HomePod answers incredibly fast. The HomePod is the ultimate HomeKit hub. If you already use the Home app on your iPhone or iPad, the HomeKit will allow you to set up smart home automation and of course use Siri to control your devices. $350 is a step up from most smart speakers on the market, and far above the $50 options from Amazon and Google. For that price, you'll get an amazing sounding speaker inside the walls of the Apple ecosystem. Speaking of that ecosystem, if you're a member of the elusive Apple walled garden, the HomePod will work well with just about all of your Apple products in ways that other smart speakers just simply can't. Like working with Apple Music and sending iMessages. But as of February 2018, the HomePod can't even make phone calls or access your calendar for reasons unknown. Hey Siri, what's on my calendar today?
I wish I could, but I can't access your calendar here.
Like many others have pointed out, Siri in its current form is falling a bit below what Amazon's Alexa and Google's Assistant offer in terms of general inquiries and natural speech recognition, but that is all subject to change. Apple can add and improve on features with simple software updates, which I believe is likely to happen this year with hopefully major Siri updates. The Apple HomePod is a great smart speaker, but for the price, I personally just can't justify it, and I'll be returning mine. I'll stay tuned though, in hopes that it gets better with time. You should stay tuned as well, to my channel that is. Consider subscribing, it helps me out a ton and you'll be the first to know when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, see you soon.